Beloved viewers, hearty welcome to my session on English Matters. In the last video, you learnt about the 7 short vowel sounds. I'm sure that you have understood them well. Today, we shall know about the 5 long vowel sounds. Let's begin it. Look at the screen, please. Long vowel sounds. In the long vowel sounds, you will have 2 dots like colon. In short vowel sounds, you will not have this. Look at here, IPS symbol, word example, phonetic transcription. Look at this sound, IPS symbol. It's called E. E. It means it is a drag sound. When these 2 dots come here, we drag the sound like E. As in seed, deed, heed. Look at the phonetic transcription, please. S. This S I have taken from here, S. Then in place of double E, I have put this E sound. And then D. Seed. In the same way, deed, heed, need. We can transcribe in this way. The next symbol is It's written like this. As in bird, curd, firm. Look at the phonetic transcription. B, I have taken from here. Here, this B has come here, B. And for a sound, I have taken this IPS symbol, and then this D comes here. Since R is not accented, it doesn't come in phonetic transcription. And we don't pronounce bird. We pronounce it as bird. In the same way, curd. I had told you earlier, in place of C, we write K at the time of phonetic transcription. So it is curd. We can't say curd. Curd. Firm. This is the pronunciation. Once again, bird, curd, firm. The next symbol is A, as in art, as in arm. For example, look at the phonetic transcription. This A sound comes in the beginning, A, and then T we take from here, because R is not accented at all. We can't say art. No, that is a wrong pronunciation. So we have to pronounce it as art. This symbol is U. It looks like U, but we say oo. It's not U. It looks like anybody will read U, but it is not. It is oo, as in pool, cool, fool, etc. Look at the phonetic transcription. P I have taken from here. And then for oo sound, I have taken this IPS symbol here in the center, and then L again here. So it is called pool. You can say cool. Next one. Last sound. O is called O. O, as in fought, bought, sought. Look at the phonetic transcription. F from here. And for O sound, I have taken this IPS symbol in the center here. And then T from here. Fought. In the same way, bought. In the same way, sought. So do some practice and try to transcribe other words too. So today you have understood about 7 short vowel sounds and 5 long vowel sounds. They are 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 pure vowel sounds. In the next video, I'll talk about 8 diphthongs also, which are vowels. In this way, you will have full understanding of 20 vowel sounds. There'll be 7 short vowel sounds, 5 long vowel sounds, and 8 diphthongs. If this video is of your choice, please do like, share, and subscribe it. Thanks a lot for your patient hearing. Thank you.